Hello everyone, welcome today. We're diving into the essential insights you need before heading to Jamaica. Picture the sun-kissed beaches, the cascading waterfalls, the luxurious resorts, and the pulsating rhythms of reggae. Jamaica is indeed a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. But just like any treasure, it comes with its own set of keys and locks. Unforeseen surprises and overlooked details can sometimes turn your dream vacation into an unexpected adventure. That's where I come in. I will guide you through the nuances of Jamaican travel, unravel the mysteries, and debunk the myths. From transportation tips to cultural insights, safety precautions to culinary delights, I've got it all covered. So, whether you're a first-timer, a returning visitor, or a seasoned veteran, stick around because I've got valuable information for you. Let's jump right in and start unlocking the secrets of a fantastic Jamaican vacation. Firstly, let's talk transportation. Jamaica, a gem of the Caribbean, may tantalize with its turquoise waters and vibrant culture, but it's essential to navigate its transportation landscape wisely. For many first-time visitors, the cost of getting around can come as a bit of a surprise. Particularly if you're itching to explore beyond the confines of your resort, transportation costs can mount up quickly. Taxis are a common choice, but they can be a bit of a drain on your wallet, especially if they're not part of your all-inclusive resort package. So what's the alternative, you ask? Well, renting a car is a viable option that's often more budget-friendly, but there's a slight catch. Driving in Jamaica is a unique experience, to say the least. The British influence means you'll be driving on the left-hand side of the road, and the local drivers are known for their assertiveness. But don't let that deter you. With a little bit of patience and a lot of attention to the road, you'll get the hang of it. And remember, it's all part of the adventure. Just be sure to familiarize yourself with local driving rules and regulations before hitting the road. In conclusion, while transportation in Jamaica can be a bit pricey, with a little bit of planning and a dash of adventurous spirit, you can navigate your way around efficiently. Consider renting a car for a more budget-friendly option, but be prepared for left-side driving and assertive local drivers. Moving on, it's important to note that unfortunately, homophobia is still an issue in Jamaica. While Jamaica's vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes make it a popular travel destination, the LGBTQ+ community often has to navigate a more complex landscape. Some travelers have relayed experiences of intolerance and, in some cases, hostility. This is particularly true for gay male couples, who may encounter more pronounced prejudice. The Jamaican government has made strides towards promoting inclusivity and safety, but societal attitudes can take time to evolve. It's crucial for LGBTQ+ travelers to stay aware and exercise discretion during their visit. Refrain from public displays of affection and be mindful of how you express your sexual orientation to people you don't know well. While it's unfortunate that these precautions are necessary, they can go a long way in ensuring a safe and enjoyable trip in this Caribbean paradise. Remember, the goal is to appreciate Jamaica's beauty and culture while staying safe. Refraining from public displays of affection and expressions of sexual orientation to strangers is often advised to ensure a safe experience. Now let's debunk a common misconception. Marijuana is illegal in Jamaica. It's true. Despite the country's association with the plant thanks to reggae legend Bob Marley and the Rastafarian religion, marijuana, or ganja, as it's locally known, is not legal. Up until 5 years ago, possession of marijuana was a serious offense. In 2015, the Jamaican government decriminalized the possession of small amounts of marijuana, less than 2 ounces, but it remains illegal to cultivate or sell it without proper licensing. So, while you might see it being openly used, and you might even get offered some by local vendors, it's important to know the law. As a visitor, you're likely to encounter people selling marijuana, especially in tourist areas. They might be quite persistent, but remember, you're under no obligation to buy. Remember, it's illegal, so a polite decline is your best response. Here's a pro tip: don't miss out on trying the local cuisine. Jamaica's culinary scene is a vibrant amalgamation of influences from the indigenous Taino people to the African, Indian, and Chinese immigrants who've shaped the island's history. The result is a rich tapestry of flavors that will delight your taste buds. Now let's dive into the dishes. The star of the show is undoubtedly jerk chicken. This smoky, spicy delight is marinated in a blend of allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers and other seasonings, then slow cooked over pimento wood. It's a must-try on any Jamaican visit. Next up, we have the curried goat. This slow-cooked dish is a favorite at special occasions, boasting a hearty curry sauce that pairs perfectly with rice and peas. It's a testament to the Indian influence on Jamaican cuisine and an absolute flavor bomb. And then there's the oxtail stew. This dish might sound intimidating, but it's a beloved comfort food among locals. The oxtail is slowly braised until it's fall off the bone tender, then served with butter beans in a rich and flavorful gravy. Don't forget the seafood either. With its abundant coastlines, Jamaica offers an array of fresh catch. From grilled lobster to escovitch fish, a dish marinated in a spicy vinegar-based dressing, the seafood options are plentiful. So don't limit yourself to the all-inclusive buffet. Step out, immerse yourself in the local culture, and let your palate embark on a culinary journey. Venture beyond the resort's offerings and savor the authentic flavors of Jamaica. Now, let's talk about the laid-back vibe. Jamaica, like many Caribbean islands, operates on what is commonly referred to as island time. This essentially means that things move at a slower pace, and schedules are more fluid than what you might be accustomed to. Whether it's dining in a restaurant, embarking on an excursion, or simply catching a taxi, you'll often find that things don't move quite as quickly as they do back home. This isn't a bad thing, in fact. It's part of the charm of island life. It's a testament to the relaxed, stress-free atmosphere that makes Jamaica such a beloved destination. The key to enjoying island time is to embrace it. Adjust your expectations, don't rush, and simply go with the flow. So, when planning your Jamaican adventure, remember to factor in extra time for dinners, excursions, and transportation. Embrace the laid-back lifestyle that defines the Jamaican spirit. This is how you truly experience the island vibe. When it comes to currency, while US dollars are widely accepted, it's advisable to have both US and Jamaican dollars on hand. This is because, while you can certainly pay for your resort stay, guided tours, and high-end restaurants in US dollars, having Jamaican dollars can be quite beneficial. For one, it allows you to immerse yourself more fully in the local culture, especially when shopping at markets, using public transportation, or dining at local eateries. These places often prefer or only accept Jamaican dollars. Additionally, it's worth noting that prices quoted in US dollars may sometimes be rounded up, meaning you might get a better deal if you pay in the local currency. It's also essential to remember that not all establishments will have the ability to make change for large US dollar bills, so smaller denominations or local currency can be more practical. In essence, having local currency is handy for off-the-beaten-path experiences. Hurricane season is a factor to consider, especially between August and October. Now, let's not let this scare you off, but rather make you better prepared. The Caribbean, including Jamaica, is prone to hurricanes and tropical storms during these months. This can sometimes lead to flight cancellations, altered cruise ship itineraries, and even temporary closures of resorts or tourist attractions. However, don't let this deter you from visiting during this period. With the right precautions, you can still enjoy an amazing Jamaican vacation. One such precaution is investing in travel insurance. This is not just a good to have, but a must-have during hurricane season. A comprehensive travel insurance policy can cover trip cancellations or interruptions due to weather-related events, along with other potential issues like medical emergencies or lost baggage. So, when planning your Jamaican getaway during these months, remember to pack not just your swimsuit and sunscreen, but also a solid travel insurance policy. Travel insurance is a must during this period to protect your plans from potential weather disruptions. Now, addressing safety concerns, tourist areas in Jamaica are generally safe. The island's popular destinations, from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios, prioritize the security of their visitors. With increased police presence and well-lit areas, tourists can enjoy the vibrant nightlife and explore the local markets with relative peace of mind. However, like any travel destination, Jamaica does have areas where it's best to exercise caution. Downtown Kingston and certain parts of Montego Bay have been known to experience higher crime rates. It's advisable to avoid these areas, particularly after dark. When it comes to exploring, it's best to stick to recognized tourist routes and avoid venturing into unfamiliar areas without a guide. Always keep personal belongings secure and be mindful of pickpockets in crowded places. Keeping these tips in mind can help ensure a safe and enjoyable Jamaican experience. Still, it's recommended to exercise caution in certain areas, especially if exploring independently. In conclusion, Jamaica offers a fantastic experience, but being well informed is key to maximizing your enjoyment. From understanding the transportation options to grasping the local customs, every nugget of information can transform your visit into an unforgettable adventure. It's important to remember that while Jamaica's vibrant culture and stunning landscapes are enticing, it's crucial to be mindful of the local laws and societal norms. Don't forget to set your watch to island time and savor the authentic flavors of Jamaica. Be aware of the hurricane season and always ensure your safety while exploring this Caribbean paradise. And remember, whether it's your first trip or your 10th, there's always something new to discover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for future uploads. Explore more in-depth reviews in our playlist to prepare for your next journey. This is Just Relax Man. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have the best possible Jamaican experience. See you soon, everyone.